Bayerisch Eisenstein, a railway station in 2 countries. Nestled in the heart of the Bavarian Forest, Bayerisch Eisenstein Railway Station is far more than a transit hub. It is a unique historical landmark that tells a powerful story of division, connection, and reconciliation in Europe's modern history. Located directly on the border between Germany and the Czech Republic, this station is one of the few in the world that straddles an international boundary, making it a symbol of both separation and unity. The station was officially opened in 1877 as part of the Bavarian Forest Railway, which connected Plattling in Germany to Pilsen, Plzeň, in what is now the Czech Republic. It played a key role in promoting trade, tourism, and cultural exchange between the regions. For many years, it was a vibrant cross-border transit point that brought prosperity and interaction between neighboring countries. However, its fortunes changed drastically in the aftermath of World War II. With the establishment of the Iron Curtain during the Cold War, the border at Bayerisch Eisenstein was closed in 1953, cutting the station in half. Barbed wire and watchtowers separated the German and Czech sides, and cross-border travel was forbidden. The station stood as a stark reminder of Europe's division, with half of it essentially abandoned. Bayerisch Eisenstein Railway Station is architecturally notable for its large, symmetrical design that mirrors itself on both sides of the border. One side of the building lies in Germany's Bayerisch Eisenstein, and the other in the Czech village of Železná Ruda-Alžbětín. The line running through the middle of the station is not just a track. It is the actual international border. This rare geographical feature has fascinated travelers, historians, and photographers for decades. The station's unique layout became a visual metaphor for the political divisions of the 20th century, and now serves as a testament to the peaceful coexistence of nations in the 21st century. Following the fall of the Iron Curtain in 1989 and the collapse of communist regimes across Eastern Europe, efforts to restore cross-border connections gained momentum. In 1991, the Bayerisch Eisenstein station was reopened for international travel. Since then, it has regained its role as a vital link between Germany and the Czech Republic. Today, the station is a symbol of European unity and cooperation. Trains from both countries once again pass through, and travelers can move freely across what was once a heavily fortified border. The station also houses a museum dedicated to railway history, cross-border cooperation, and the station's unique geopolitical role. Bayerisch Eisenstein and the surrounding region are popular among tourists for their natural beauty, especially the Bavarian Forest National Park and Šumava National Park in the Czech Republic. The station, with its history and dramatic location, adds to the area's cultural richness. It often features in educational trips, historical documentaries, and exhibitions that emphasize peace and European integration. The Bayerisch Eisenstein Railway Station is more than just a stop on a railway line. It is a place where history, politics, and culture intersect. Once a symbol of Cold War division, it now stands as a monument to reconciliation and European unity. Its continued operation and preservation serve as a reminder that even the most divided places can become gateways of connection and understanding. Brought to you by Infinite Knowledge. From Maroli Edutech. Thanks for viewing. Please share and subscribe to our channel.